Water year 2024 is underway, and here at DWR, we're gearing up to monitor California's snowpack. One of the key ways we keep track of our snowpack is our weather station network. There's roughly 120 snow pillows across the state of California monitoring all different watersheds and mountain ranges. Today we're here out at Charlotte Lake in Sequoia National Park, and we had to replace a snow depth sensor. We also replaced some batteries and the solar system, which keeps the station alive, and we increase the time that the station can stay transmitting if the solar panel stays covered with snow. Weather stations up here really see a lot of environmental wear and tear, and we have to be diligent in coming out here and making sure that they are repaired properly and maintained, as well as adding and improving the infrastructure to make sure that they can withstand these really harsh environments up here in the Sierra Nevada. There's a lot of reservoir operators downstream that have to know how much water is coming into the reservoir to fill the reservoir for California's water supply, as well as making releases for any potential flood waves that are coming into the reservoirs.